Greetings, everyone. My name is MAP Eziokwu Bundo 1. And that's why relax your way. This video may expose a lot of things. And that's why relax. I use all your number 6. Because one of my job is to protect the image of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and to protect the IPOB Mazi Nnamdi Kanu build. And he formed it and built it. So, as an IPOB member and as a media personnel, I owe you nothing but the truth. And anyone who comes against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will definitely come for me. So, you will pass through me before you will get Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. And that is why I remain formidable. And I stand gidigba with Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Now, Biafrans and lovers of freedom, Achom Kunu Genti, there is a new agent, a new contractor, Nigeria government in contract go. Idia destroy ya Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. And this one, up walking on, and she started by going to Sokoto prison, pretending not for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and Oga Sokoto prison. Now, everything on the Mazi or shaking a Jeff for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. But one thing, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu me, to show you that Namazi, the 30 in Onya is bote a criminal, a crook, nchole sabotage. Yeah? Mazi abanduge not to visit him in prison again. Kedonya ine kumakia, this woman on nafunenu here, Lolo Nneka Chimezie. Yes, it is shock because of the past all Lugolu. Or no Jueme Nigerian government exposed, right? Yes, or because no well something can Nigeria government go believe. Now here you go believe because no Nigeria government have forgot that now or somebody in the bone agenti. Now he go believe. A my mission, no primary mission on when now. Primary mission on when now is to help the criminals, the bunch of power mongers, and when a DOS, the like of China Sanworu, Chike Doziem, Abanyum, to remove the name of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Ocholuko on the build is in a Biafrans develop a doubt on the power of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and the genuity of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. You want to postrate now, but that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu have been bought over. That Mazi Nnamdi Kanu speak what Nigeria government wants him to speak. I will not say a word here without evidence. That is why when I told you that I am MAP, Eziokwu Bundo, I don't come out and just start yabbing. I come with proofs, evidence. Now, without taking much of your time, listen to her. Ebona Asigi, Onye Nabula IPOB member, who don't know how IPOB was formed or how do IPOB operate, who don't know the modus operandi of IPOB, is telling you that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu lead. Pay attention, ki watch go the first, ki listen no more and make up the story. Listen to her.
Ihe gbasara IPOB gbasara onye ọbụla. Biko Igbo niile liite. Gwanda ma onye ọbụla ti ihe ọnụ ma lawyer eji ma come ụmụnne Kanu na Kanu cannot stay in prison now run the affairs of IPOB. Person na Kanu say in directive no. So enwezi eshi ndị gọọmenti ghọtacha ya n'ụdị a. Eche ha gazie ure pin si ya ị ga-enye this instruction na adịghị na amụ. Ya anya na-enyezi ha instruction otu ka ya mma. Anyị nwere ike chite one day ya asa ya no more Biafra. Okwe? Mba. Igbo bụ Igbo. Anyị ga-elite na ọtọ mụ anya. Every support I nwere inye IPOB.
Igelienti. Osege na Mazi cannot lead us. And the Mazi cannot be inside DSA, inside prison and be giving order. Lolo Nneka Chimezie, I know that you are a very intelligent woman and I am not surprised that Nigeria government approach you and they bought you over because they see that you are very vocal. But one thing I will assure you is that I will be your end. The more you are coming with lies, the more we are going to expose you to the world. Now, I want every Biafrans and lovers of freedom to ask Lolo Nneka Chimezie and the Chike Doziem and the other people now saying that Mazi cannot give order from where he is today. When Mazi Nnamdi Kanu appointed these current members of DOS, Chike Doziem, China Sanworu, where was he? Kedebono were appointed. In case you don't know, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu no na Kuje prison were appointed Chike Doziem and other members of DOS. and this current DOS, he was not outside. He was leading them in Kuje prison. And he appoint all these people that are misbehaving and attacking him now. And I want Lolo Nneka Chimezie, why didn't you ask Chike Doziem and these people you are trying to project in order to destroy IPOB? Kedebe Mazi no wenye that order and these members were appointed. If he can lead them and appoint them and they accept it, and you think, don't you think that it's Nigerian government that is speaking through him? Now, Lolo Nneka Chimezie, you said again that according to you, also that there are people don't worry, let me play the video again. Watch the video here.
And the federal government also need from there had destroy the leadership of IPOB. And once you destroy the leadership of IPOB, and one year in Kebian my life, now something that without DOS, IPOB can function. Onya way clear agent. Otaka hana war everywhere. Otani huneji were hame $9 million, $4 billion. Ganyan da ocha eji a negotiator.
Did you hear that? Osigi, there are people, Nigeria government ibu putelego, we pute na one of them, biana her platform. We see that without DOS, that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and IPOB can be more stronger. Dear friends and lovers of freedom, unamonye nekumakia, that agent on nekumakia. Now watch the video here. May you see the person. I got this surprise on this video. We leave everything in a man on social media. Man, I the record. Watch the video. There could be a program like this. Now, oku ikulu here actually correct. Without DOS, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and IPOB gas stand more than on a stand waiting. And without Chike Doziem and China Sanworu, IPOB adding more strong because here no bunandu na join IPOB abudi maka DOS or Chike Doziem. Onyo bunana join IPOB tata. Join IPOB maka Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. And the let them okay. 90%
of Igbo now support IPOB maka Mazi Nnamdi Kanu.
No matter
the preaching of IPOB. Hold on.
The IPOB when they preach the IPOB, why you going to preach here? I believe you people hear that. That is MAP confronting him, confronting her in her own platform. Omuana MAP eziokwu bụ ndụ one. Paka na agba n'udu mmiri. Anya tolo mmadụ ụjọ anya no nwele onye ifuli iri we bido. Omua confront ya where that na without these members of Chike DOS, which is Chike Doziem, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will be strong. And the Nigeria government are trying everything to destroy Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. They couldn't. The only thing now actually maybe they are looking for way because you cannot destroy IPOB in as far as Mazi Nnamdi Kanu name attached to IPOB. The only way I try everything to destroy IPOB, but the only thing that is still holding IPOB today is that name and that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. The name keep IPOB more strong. Now, her plan is here on how to destroy this IPOB. They now come on a conclusion that they need to detach Mazi Nnamdi Kanu name so that IPOB will crumble and collapse. Now, Lolo Nneka Chimezie, being an evil mother who will bury her own children, not IPOB. Evil mother who will bury her own children, now volunteer herself to be an evil that Nigeria government will use in order to destroy IPOB. Now, basically now that people are being bought over. Now, let me ask you, all these things in our here is the moment they will put Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and IPOB will destroy. So, Lolo Nneka Chimezie, Chinasa Nworu, Ikenguru Agu, and the Chike Doziem Abanyim, and the Jele Speak Udele. These are one group. Abu Nuchuna de Yakuchuno dear. Gini Kanku, Lolo Nneka Chimezie, Udele, which is Chukwuka Ofebu, Ikenguru Agwu, which is Chizoba, Chibuzo, Emmanuel, Chike Doziem, Chinasa Nworu, Keko, and Abaim. These are a bunch of the same group. So each one ni hate one, now love one. They are the same, operating in different angle. Now, all the attack now is to make sure that now it will platform Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to use you. Now, Kangunu, without IPOB, without DOS, IPOB and Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will stand more stronger. DOS is a structure. Mazi can decide to remove that names DOS and rename it anything or state of anything because he was the one who single-handedly formed it. Now, secondly, let me educate her again. I am not her kakukifo. Ngejofu video destroy all her destiny. Also that in a powerful yellow order that na IPO na sit at home on the 2nd of February being Monday. Then Oluzie the next Monday. Then the powerful cancel it. Now let me educate her again. When Chukwu Machasi Soludo closed the shops of Onitsha main market traders, because now these people now sit at home voluntarily in solidarity to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Then Chukwu Machas Soludo now want to punish them for showing their solidarity to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. He locked their shop. In return of their good gesture, IPOB under Mazi Nnamdi Kanu showed their own support to the Onitsha main market by telling them that, okay, to show that you people, what you people are doing, that we appreciate it. The entire Biafra, not only Onitsha, we sit at home on the 2nd day of February, being Monday, to show the solidarity to Onitsha main market, not that every Monday sit at home. And the man powerful made it very clear that now that sit at home should be a voluntarily. And I want Lolo Nneka Chimezie to know that another sit at home is coming again, which on the 30th May will be another sit at home for Biafran Heroes Day. Now, are you going to tell me that because Mazi Nnamdi Kanu cancel sit at home, that if there is anything that we need sit at home to show our displeasure or to show our support for another thing, that we shouldn't activate it for that particular reason? So for those of you who will listen to this garbage, this evil woman is vomiting, know that she is speaking under duress because Nigeria government is after her, and the only way she can survive is to betray, and she have already betrayed. She's now working directly with Nigeria government, pretending to be loving Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. And I dare her to visit Mazi Nnamdi Kanu in Sokoto if she is truly working for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. She can never again visit Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu have bade her not to visit him again in Sokoto, to show you that Mazi have seen evil, and Mazi through his lawyers and sent a warning to her. The only thing she will hold now is, I visited Mazi Nnamdi Kanu before. I visited Mazi Nnamdi Kanu before. Visit again, let us see. Visit again, Kaihona. Now, dear friends, that February 2nd was not for anything, not for there is every Monday sit at home. No. We did it to show our solidarity to Onitsha main market, and that was on the 2nd day of February 2026, being Monday. And after this thing, it ended there. So whoever that want to or wish to sit at home on Monday is doing so on his own voluntarily, and nobody is forcing the person, and nobody will force you to come out, and nobody will force you to sit in. It's either you choose, you love Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, you show your solidarity or not. So Lolo Nneka Chimezie, I want to ask you, Chike Doziem on the 3rd of November 2021 announced that there will be sit at home for there will be no election in Anambra State, and all of a sudden on the 4th, which is election is on the 5th, after he broadcast and make a threat that there will be sit at home, he reached on the 4th of November, he cancelled it. Who was he playing with? Mazi Nnamdi Kanu have power to say let this thing be, and have the power to cancel it. So Lolo Nneka Chimezie, your evil action, I advise you, if you have children, that is sensible, because the way you are talking, I can see that your children, if they don't want to advise you, if you are a child to this evil woman, call your mother to order, because Chike Doziem and Chinasa Nworu will not only destroy her, they will also destroy you people when the time comes. Stay clear from IPOB. Don't come to destabilize IPOB. You are not an IPOB member. And you are a nobody in as far as IPOB is concerned. IPOB is not an Igbo affair. IPOB is for Biafra. And you cannot, if you love this Chike Doziem and IPOB so much, why haven't you registered to be a member? Go and join the meeting so that you will now start contributing and become a member. Also, dekage na potazi agwanye haigeme. So, Biafrans and lovers of freedom, now you have seen a video. Ebo segina na Nigeria government buputelego mo ano here ke buputelego bunye. Then Monday sit at home. Powerful made it categorically clear that now we are doing this to show our solidarity to Onitsha main market. And after that day, we still cancel it. On the 30th of May again, we are going to announce another sit at home. And after that 30th May, we are going to cancel any other sit at home. That is how IPOB is functioning. In 2019, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu said there will be no election in Biafra land. When the time comes, he later canceled it. And we obeyed it. So, Lolo Nneka Chimezie, I want to tell you that you have failed woefully. And anyone who is believing this woman, I want to ask you a simple question. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is working with his team of lawyers and working with the members of the Directorate of State who are loyal to him, who are still genuine. And every other Mazi Nnamdi Kanu give, these people, Chike Doziem and China Sanworu, Lolo Nneka Chimezie, we attack it and counter it. I want to ask you, Lolo Nneka Chimezie, can you tell us one thing this Chike Doziem or China Sanworu have done or is doing to release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu or to restore Biafra? Or tell me one thing, anything they wanted to do and the Emmanuel Kanu or Kanu family countered it. None. In my next video, I will expose a lot of things. Man, I can't share here because of the longness. They won't.